Hey yo, what's up, Illis Nation? It's your boy Ill Will. Hey man, I'm in downtown Visalia, California. Unfortunately, the wildfires have like putting a dampener on like all the like golden tones and all the lighting and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is go down town and see what I can get. And just in spite of, I got my new GoPro, so we're gonna be doing some POV photography. I finally got my GoPro. I know I'm years behind in the game, but yo, we're finna go ahead and get this street photography out the way, get this POV going, strap up, put it on my chest. Let's see what we can get. Alright, yo. Full disclaimer, this is my first time ever trying to put this chest mount on, man. That shit is not. It's trying to feel like one of those little fitness bras you gotta wear on the field. Let's see how they're trying to look. It won't be so discreet. I'm gonna put this on. There you go. So we're strapped up. Let's see what we can get. Go ahead and make sure we lock the door. There we go. Alright. So like I said, this is my first time doing like street photography with the POV camera. So we're just gonna see what we can get. I know I'm gonna get a whole bunch of looks, but hey man, that's part of the game, part of practicing, becoming a better photographer is like practicing under pressure, man, when everybody's looking at you and wondering what the hell are you doing? So let's see how many people I can get pictures of, or at least let's just see what I can get pictures of, period, man, because I'm just so excited to have a GoPro to see what I'm actually, so y'all can see what I'm actually looking at when I do my street photography on just out in the streets. I'm gonna be using it on photo shoots soon too, so with that being said, let's get to it and get to the footage on the GoPro. Yeah. Go ahead and get out of A+ mode, automatic. I like shooting the aperture priority. Oh, look at that. No, that's not gonna work. I'm actually surprised by the amount of people that's out here today. Let's get a quick photo of these beautiful flowers. Just to warm up, you know. No sense in wasting my shots, but I do like to get a few that are just to basically warm up, get in the mood. Today is just actually just take a lap around. I don't even know what street this is. People, let's see if we can get some shots of some people. So, hey man, you mind if I take a picture just for the city? Yo, I appreciate it. You can just keep doing what you're doing. Appreciate it, boss. All right, man. Hey, y'all mind if I take y'all's picture for the city? Trying to get some pictures of everybody downtown. Huh?
It's the sign.
Oh yeah?
It's a new opening.
Oh, this is new?
Yeah, it's opening.
Oh. Y'all giving out free shoes? Oh, yeah, in the back? Yeah, yeah. All right, cool. Appreciate it. What's up, y'all? What's up, man? Hey, man, photographer. Y'all need any pictures or anything like that?
You got an Instagram page?
Yeah, man.
Check it out.
Yeah. Here I go. It's my business card. I live in Lemoore. I'm in the Navy, but I do photography on the side. Yeah, but I was just doing some street photography. Did y'all want some pictures? He told me y'all knew.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, just free pictures, like y'all just post it up, like with some shoes. Yeah.
You send it to me?
Yeah.
For the Instagram?
Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah, give me with the shoes.
That's what I'm saying. Come on, let's go. Let's knock it out. Y'all got an Instagram too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Y'all just pick what shoes y'all want.
You get me in front of the mural.
Oh man, mural? You want the mural shot? Okay.
Diagonal, you know what I mean?
Alright. Those are fly right there. I like that. So I'm gonna get a diagonal with nips. There you go. That's fresh right there. Alright. Yeah, you can just hold it. Oh, that's what's up. How long y'all been open?
5 days.
Brand new. Spanking new. That's what's up. Get a shot of the shoe too. Alright, y'all want one together? It's just y'all's too? It's up to you, yeah. I think the shoes, yeah, so everybody knows it's a shoe store. Yeah, the shoe, yeah. It's a shoe store. Yeah, I got you. And they like, ooh, I got them organs. Ooh. But I'm gonna get y'all two together. Alright. Y'all want something a little bit closer? Yeah, man. Exactly. These joints is fresh though.
How you think it'll look with a nice shot outside?
Yeah, not with the shoes, but with y'all two together, it'd be straight.
Oh, why?
Oh no, cause all the lights gone.
Oh, it is gone.
Yeah, that smoke is like only giving us like an hour, that golden hour. It sucks. I've been walking around.
Yeah.
But if y'all want one outside, like in front of you, I got a sign outside, right?
Probably wouldn't be good. Like, you probably right. You just have to shoot.
Actually, you got two lights right there, so we can get one right outside in front of the sign. Oh yeah, I catch that. Yeah, that's dope. Alright, and then we get you right in front of this one and I'll be done. I want to hold y'all up. I know y'all getting some business in today. Alright, look at me right quick. There you go. That's the one right there. I appreciate y'all, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, I'll hit y'all up on Instagram tonight.
Yeah, you got
All right.
to build Instagram, right?
Yep. I see y'all right there. I got a picture of it, so I ain't got no excuse now.
DM the store, all those pictures, man.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
I'll blast you out there, too.
I appreciate it, man. I'm gonna edit them probably in the morning, but I'm gonna add y'all tonight.
All right, cool.
All right. Yeah, that's what I like to do right there, is, man. That's how you get connects, man. You just walk up to people and shit, see what the hell they talking about, man. I don't really, I mean, I'm an introvert, but I'm an extrovert, you know what I'm saying? I like to actually meet and greet people, and I mean, photography connects people. Everybody wants a picture. Even if they say no, on the inside, they're like, man, I should have took that picture. So that's cool that I can link up with them and do that right there. Nothing on these alleys today. Nah, there's nobody here today. Kind of like this little sign right here, though. That's the other thing. Like, I see a lot of things, and then I take the picture, and it's like not what I thought it was gonna be. We'll see how those come out at the end. Oh, that's too bad. I thought this thing was going the whole time and it wasn't even doing anything. That pretty much sucks. Oh, hey, so yo, that was my street photography for today. Fortunately, like I said, it didn't go all that well because after 20 minutes, I didn't know that my GoPro turned off. So next time, I'll just remember, hey, you gotta keep looking at your GoPro on your chest. Make sure it's still on like every 5 or 6 minutes. And the battery on that Hero 5 Black goes so quick. So I definitely gotta look into that. But yo, this is gonna be a godsend. I am so glad I have this GoPro Hero 5 now. Hey, if you don't already, go ahead and add me on Instagram at @illwillmedia. Same thing on YouTube. Go ahead, smash the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment. We'll be doing more videos like this, and I'm actually looking forward to it, man. I got out there, I'm a man of the people. My introvertedness just kind of went all the way away, and I definitely had a wonderful time. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of these, probably like once a week, twice a week, just getting out there, shooting the people, shooting the city, and that's wherever I go. And I love to travel, so I can't wait to use it. But go ahead, y'all, have a wonderful, blessed day, and I guess I'll see you in the next vlog. So it's your boy Ill Will, and I'm out. Yeah. Man, I don't even know. Dang it. Also, shout out to Adidas. This little carry-along bag is a godsend. And hey, if Adidas, if you're listening, go ahead, send me some free stuff. Man, I'll rock these all day, man. I love just throwing my camera in here. Got plenty of room for my EOS R and a few cards. So, yo, shout out to y'all. Y'all are the MVP today. So, hey, stay blessed. Yeah.